Hey, welcome back. I'm Carl McLarty of McLarty Films. Today I want to share with you a video about language learning and combine that with a tech review. So you can hear the audio that's being recorded through my bone conduction headphones. And I just want to talk about how these headphones have helped me in my language study pursuits. One of the ways I like to study languages is by listening to online radio or podcasts. I listen every day. I listen to Spanish and Chinese online. I like to have the talk radio in my ears, and whether I'm listening to it actively or even passively, it helps water that language plant in your brain to grow so it doesn't die. One is called Radio FM, and that lets you search by language, country, or network. So in Mexico, I've got Mexico City, Guadalajara, yeah, Puebla. I'll go jogging, or I'll play VR ping pong, and I'll mute my mic, but then I'll have the Spanish radio in my ear, or Chinese. Doing the dishes, whatever, just menial tasks. Throughout the day, just have something in your ear. So that way you can create for yourself kind of an immersive environment. So you're getting a lot of input that you would have, like say if you were living in Mexico City or in Beijing, but from the comfort of your own country. The other online radio app that I really like is called Simple Radio. And these are live radio stations, but they're online. And I like to listen to a Chinese one out of LA called Kazn 1300, Kazn 1300. It's out of Pasadena. It's actually on the AM dial there, but this Simple Radio app has AM dial stations as well. So in conclusion, I love these headphones. I wear them all day. And this, I do have the Open Com as well, which has the mic, but I tend to wear this pair more just because I don't catch that out of the mic out of the corner of my eye. This set, I really do almost forget that I have headphones on, and that's great. And it lets me wear them longer without getting tired. So aloha Friday. Hope you have a great weekend, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video. Peace.